Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day video. If you guys are new around here, my name is Becca. I am a registered dietitian and I share lots of nutrition, health, wellness, lifestyle, and intuitive eating content here on my channel. So today is just a regular old work day. We are just home getting stuff done, but I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me to show you everything that I'm eating today. So also, if you guys are new around here and don't already know, I am pregnant. I am 31 weeks along this week, which is crazy. I am definitely in the third trimester and my eating is not quite as, normal as it used to be, just because I eat a lot of small meals. And I will say, one of the most unexpected things for pregnancy, at least in my experience this time, is I thought I was gonna have like a ravenous appetite. I thought like my joy of eating was just going to be like elevated while pregnant and I was just going to love food even more. But honestly, my appetite has like never been lower in my whole life. Like I just am not as hungry. And of course, like I'm still making sure to eat. I'm gaining weight consistently, like it's not a problem. But yeah, I'm just like not nearly as hungry as I would have expected. In fact, like I'm really not hungry at all most of the time. So yeah, so basically I just have a bunch of small meals and snacks throughout the day, and that is how I get my calories and energy and nutrition in. So I'm just gonna be basically sharing with you what that looks like for me right now while 31 weeks pregnant. So if you guys wanna see what I'm eating in a typical day while pregnant, at least at this point in time, let's get started. Okay, so it's still pretty early. I'm just drinking my water and I'm about to go out for a walk. So I just wanna like get out and get it done. So I'm not going to eat breakfast quite yet, but I'm just gonna have like a handful of these organic dried mangoes. They're the Costco brand. I love getting this giant bag from Costco because they're so good. And I love that they're organic. So I'm just gonna grab like a handful of those and eat those on my way out the door. Gonna go for a decent walk to get some exercise, and then I'll eat breakfast when I get back. Okay, I'm back from my walk and I'm about to have some oatmeal. So this is just some cooked oats. And then lately I have been adding collagen to them just to add some extra protein. I'm trying to get in lots of protein while pregnant. This is just an easy way to do it because it has no taste. You can add it to whatever. And then I'm gonna top it off with some peanut butter. And then typically I do like raisins. Sometimes I sprinkle some coconut on there, but I'm out of raisins. So I'm actually just gonna be adding a little bit of this granola. I love Jessica's granola. I love all of them. They're all really, really good. The chocolate chip one's really good. The one with cherries is really good. This vanilla maple one's delicious. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of that on. Typically I don't add granola to oatmeal, but just peanut butter sounded really boring. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm just gonna top it off with a little bit of cinnamon. Okay, so here's the final product. Oatmeal, collagen, peanut butter, granola, and cinnamon. It actually looks really good. Hey guys, so I am back from my first appointment of the day. I went to the chiropractor and I'm gonna eat again. So I think I'm gonna have some eggs because that's just like easy and quick. It's like some eggs and toast. It's kind of like lunchtime, but I don't really follow normal meals anymore. I really do eat like small meals throughout the day. So that oatmeal was filling for a while, but then I got hungry. Now I'm like really hungry. So I'm gonna whip up some eggs and toast and I will show you guys that. All right, so here's what I made. I've got some sauteed spinach under there that you can barely see. And then I have 2 eggs, pasture-raised eggs, and then just 2 slices of like sourdough bread, a little bit of grass-fed butter. And yeah, there we go. Okay, friends, we have left and now come back again. We went to my midwife appointment to check up on baby girl Bristow. Everything is good, everything looks good. It was like the fastest appointment to date. We were like literally in and out. Checked my blood pressure, checked on the baby's heartbeat, measured my belly, and we chatted for a few minutes and that was about it. So nice, easy appointment. So we really weren't gone that long, and it's not been that long since I've eaten those eggs. So I'm not super hungry yet, or really much at all, but I'm probably gonna have a snack soon-ish. However, I really want something sweet, so I'm gonna have a little bit of dark chocolate. Okay, it's a little later. I actually just woke up from a nap. That is pregnancy for you. We're actually about to run. We're gonna take Rosie for a walk. We're gonna go to the park. Matt might shoot some hoops. And so I don't really have time for a snack, and I'm honestly not even that hungry. But I'm just gonna quickly have a few strawberries. I mentioned this before, but cutting up fruit and like cleaning it, cutting it up ahead of time, not only does your fruit last longer if you actually like clean it. This is what there's so many, you can like look on Pinterest, there's so many recipes on like how to like clean fruit so it lasts longer. This is what I use. I just like soak whatever fruit, berries especially, not like raspberries, they're the only ones I wouldn't do because they just get mushy so fast, but soak them with lots of water, a splash of that stuff, and then I like cut them up in advance, and then we just store them obviously in the fridge cut up. And our fruit never goes to waste every single time we eat it all, because A, it lasts longer, it's also just easier to eat when it's already cut up and ready to go, so it never ever goes to waste, versus if I'm lazy and I don't do that, a lot of times there's a few berries that are a little sad looking at the end or moldy and I have to throw them out, so I don't like doing that because they're expensive. So yeah, that's my tip for eating more fruit. Matt always eats so much more fruit when I do this. Car. It is now dinner time. We were gonna make dinner, but then Matt suggested,
let's have a burger.
So I was like, you know what, that actually sounds really good. So we're gonna go get burgers. There's a place called Grub Burger Bar that's pretty close to where we live. There's a few of them like throughout the US, just like a handful. So maybe you've heard of it, those of you watching this. But they have like really good burgers and they have sweet potato fries, and I'm pretty excited.
Me too.
Are you gonna get a burger or are you gonna get the chicken tenders?
I'm gonna get a burger, fries, and probably a milkshake.
Oh. Alright, so we were out of dinner. Oh my god, it was so good. And I needed that. I needed a big meal because I feel like I didn't eat very much today, so it was perfect. I got the, I didn't get to show you the menu, but I got the Jive Turkey Burger, which is like a pesto turkey burger. It has guac and bacon. Oh my god, it's so good. And sweet potato fries. And then you got the
Lockhart Legend. Barbecue sauce, bacon, onion ring. It's good.
It was good?
It was really good. Sorry, I'm driving.
Cool. Alright, well we're gonna run into pet store real quick to get Rosie some treats, but yeah, that was our dinner. It was so good. Yeah.
With the acorn? Or what's this?
It's a candy corn.
Candy corn?
Not an acorn.
I had part of it, corn.
Are you getting a special treat?
Candy corn, candy corn. Oh, hold on.
Oh, sit pretty.
Shady.
Oh.
Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Okay.
Oh. Oh, okay, bye. We also got her this very odd looking toy that's somehow really cute. Oh. Hey, Rosie. Did I get you a toy? Did I get you a toy? Sit down. Is it pretty? Is it pretty? You're so good. What's that? Is that a toy? Is that for you? Do you want it?
Squeeze again, Shirley.
Get it. Oh, you don't like it? You don't like the weird looking toy?
Get
the toy.
Go ahead.
She's like, is there something else? No, that's it. You're looking at it.
Get.
Everybody's dogs who are watching this are going to be going nuts.
Have it. Take it. It's a toy.
She doesn't like it. Get it, Rosie. Get it. Oh, finally. There you go. Oh, bye. All right, guys. So I think that is it for this What I Ate in a Day. I am so full from that burger, but like satisfied, not overly full. It actually was like perfect. I needed that. But I'm just gonna make myself some red raspberry leaf tea and hang out for the rest of the night, but I am definitely way too full to be eating anything else before I go to bed. So that is definitely it as far as what I'll be eating today. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram so we can hang out on there. But that is it. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Hey brother, there's an endless road to rediscover. Hey sister, know the water's sweet but blood is thicker.